We at Schüssler make the difference. We produce tool holders at the highest level and for every need for the automotive, aerospace, and 3C industries, medical technology, tool and mold construction, and for all industries in which machining plays an important role. Our company was founded in 1970 by Karl Schüssler.
Meine Eltern haben den Grundstein gelegt für unser Unternehmen. Ich bin in zweiter Generation damit aufgewachsen. Für mich war klar, dass ich Schüssler verantwortungsvoll und nachhaltig weiterführe.
More than 50 years of our know-how and our passion for precision make our more than 2,000 products the perfect choice when maximum machining quality with high productivity and economic efficiency are required.